Andrew's just finished making some soft shackles. We're going to use them as our bridle. This with Dyneema rope. We're going to use them on the parasailer and on our bridle. Take off the metal parts. There's our bridle shackle now.
We have the bridle shackle through a loop, so we have metal on metal wear. You can see some wear right there. So I'm going to use a soft shackle, which is this.
Makes a lot of noise, the metal on metal in the wind.
Which I've just made. Knot goes through there, tightens up on itself.
That's out of Dyneema rope.
The Dyneema shackle that I have just made, this is out of Dyneema rope, is supposed to be at least 5 times stronger than the stainless steel shackle, and hopefully we don't get wear like we have on the shackle.
And there's the Dyneema shackle on the bridle compared to the one I just showed you. That's burned in there. This morning we're in Nuku Hiva waiting for our Navionics chip, and we've got a notice that my card's been compromised even though I have not used it since May. So we're trying to get a Skype number so we can phone Canada to see if it's a scam or not. And this is Yacht Services. We've had our Navionics SD card couriered in, but now we have to have somebody fill out the paperwork, which Kevin is going to do to import it now as a part into French Polynesia. And there's the Yacht Services. And I sit there when I want to upload my YouTube videos and then leave the computer overnight. This is where the cruisers sit to get Wi-Fi. There's the Wi-Fi prices. It's very slow, so to upload a YouTube video I have to leave it, come in like Monday morning and pick it up Tuesday morning. It takes that long to upload. But now I'm starting to do 2 at once. And this is Nuku Hiva. The town, the beach, and the anchorage is out there. This is the fish dock here. Come in to load their fish. And then the sharks come and eat all the guts. Oh, that doggy there is a cruiser friend doggy. He likes to go for walks with everybody. This is Mr. Noisy Rooster. He just hangs around here at the Yacht Services cock-a-doodle-dooing. There he goes. And Yacht Services. This is the main street in Taiohae Bay of Nuku Hiva, and it smells like plumeria around here. We're gonna walk up to the statue and get a picture. I did get a picture, but I've kind of lost everything. See how many dirty mines there are out there. There's our anchorage. See the size of it with Andrew standing there. And on the other side of the anchorage, this little bay has one of the rare white sand beaches in French Polynesia. This is Mother statue. This is the front facing the water. So you can walk through here and then you got it's anatomically correct.
Everything's so far.
This is a map.
100 kilometers to Tahiti.
How we're just little stepping stones on the ocean here. There's the equator, and there's Hawaii, and over here is Nuku Hiva at the head.
Nuku Hiva.
Rapa Nui. There they all are.
Compass rose.
Yeah. These plumeria flowers are so potent, beautiful smelling. Even when you're sailing into a bay, you could be 10 miles out, and if the wind is blowing correctly, the air is full of this scent. Quite a long bay to come into, but still not very protected from swell. Yeah, swell's pretty big today. There used to be a fort here, but they built this in 2017, replaced the fort. There's the old fort. The swell coming into the anchorage. This is what's coming under our boat. WaveRiders right there is sideways to the waves. Building with all the roofs are the bank. Andrew carrying groceries. We didn't expect to shop, so we don't have our backpack.
Did we pay $1,100 for the eggs?
Eggs? Whoa! They've put the price up. And the walk back to WaveRiders. Remember this, Chantel? And that's the statue area up there. And the dinghy dock and yacht services down below. Okay, today's what day?
Today is July 14th. It is Bastille Day for all the French, and there's a big celebration here. So we're gonna go in and see what it's all about.
Since our SD card is still not here and they have a no sail warning the High Commissioner put out because of winds.
Yeah, that means no sailing.
I mean, sorry, no, not winds. Swells, 5 to 6 meter swells with 7 to 8 meter topping off.
Have a look at the beach.
Guess this is some kind of parade coming. Let's just check out everybody's car on the island with loud music on it. Now they're all cheering for this truck with the flashing lights. Here comes the only float in the parade.
Magnifique prestation, il est tout seul.
I think there's some flirting going on here. Let's see what's happening. They've moved all these people off the sidewalk on the other side. Looks like horses coming. Barbecuing some breadfruit, interesting. Smells nice. Better we were. Whoa, look at the swell coming in here. And it's coming right where our dinghy is. Ho-ho! To that second ladder. Here comes another big one. Whoa, see how that dinghy's getting smashed against the wall?
Oh, I think all right.
Whoa, that swell is going under our boat. I think we're too close. That's why everybody was moving out. The decorations they put all down the side of the road. Isn't that cool? Aftermath of the storm yesterday and the big waves, all this rock here has all been thrown up by the waves and the swell. All of that rock too. Nobody dragged yesterday, which means everybody was anchored correctly, enough scope out. And these waves, all the way up here and all the way onto the road. They've used a bulldozer to clear the road of debris. We'll walk down a bit more and see, but this is where it starts. So this has been bulldozed already last night, and there's still this much mud on the street. And it keeps going all the way down here. Lots of work to clean up. This is all new mud, rocks. Used to be grass here. So there's WaveRiders. That swell went under our boat. This is the biggest swell area. And brought rocks and mud and dirt across the street.
As we are filming this, is July the 15th. We are still waiting for an SD card for our navigation system. We will be in the Tuamotus for about a month and then head to Tahiti. So for that month we won't be able to upload any videos. So you might be in video withdrawal for a little bit, but we will let you know. We will have some good video because the water's super nice there. We'll be diving with some sharks and various other fish. We're looking forward to you seeing all of that. And I would like to say thank you for watching this episode of Sailing WaveRiders. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.